Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 1-5. I hope you had a wonderful 4-day weekend, and we're going to jump right back into our lessons with chapter 1. So, before with the then, we have simplified expressions and combined like terms using different properties of numbers. So practically we had like this big expression of numbers, and we decompressed it, deflated it like a balloon, so that we kind of get the simplest answer. But now, with our lesson with Intro to Equations, we're going to solve equations to find the mystery number represented by one or two variables. So you're going to see this all over algebra. Practically, it's about finding x, right? Finding what number is that variable, okay? So, let's look at this as an example, but of course, we have vocabulary, so find what an equation is, right? It's like an expression with an equal sign, and it equals another number or expression. Okay, a solution is kind of like the value of the variable that makes the equation true. Okay, so if I plug that number into the variable, it makes it work. And we're going to talk about replacement and solution set with this example right here. So check it out. We're going to find the solution set for 4a plus 7 equals 23 if the replacement set is this list of numbers. In other words, which of the numbers from this list right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, can be plugged in, right? Because you know, okay, that there's a variable here, can be plugged into the equation 4a plus 7 equals 23 to make it true. Okay, so let's build a table to see if this works. Alright, first I have a equals 2, so I'm going to plug in 2 right here. Let's start with the first number 2. I'm going to plug it into the equation 4a plus 7 equals 23, and that 2 is going to replace where that a is. Alright, so I solve it out, and I see that 15 does not equal 23, so that's false. So 2 does not work as a solution set. Alright, let's keep on going. So we had 3, right? We plugged 3 into the equation right here, and it ends up being 19, and that still doesn't equal 23, so that doesn't work on that. We plug in 4, so 4 times 4 is 16, plus 7 is 23. So this one works, right? Because it makes the equation true. 23 does equal 23, so we know for sure this one works. All right, and then when I continue, come on, pen. Okay. So when I continue, I plug in 5, it's still false, and I plug in 6, it's still false. So it looks like the only solution set that works is a equals 4. So I would say the solution set is only 4. Alright, so solution set is only the numbers that work in the equation. And the replacement set is just my possible numbers. Alright? So I want you to try this as an example. Okay, plug each of these numbers into the variable c, and then figure out which one of these makes this equation true. Go for it.